Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while. I hope everyone's doing okay. The pokeball. Got a little surprise. Hopefully, we get a hit. A decent hit that we want. A chase card or something.
Introducing
The level. Wait, no, it's not a level ball. I forgot what the ball is. If you know what the ball is, comment.
It has a McDonald's logo on it.
Yeah, kinda.
Upside down. But
You see this? You can see it real easy. That's what comes off. It goes straight down.
and then
You know, did you know about the cards that for a long time they couldn't make a cadaver card?
why?
Because a person like told them like to copyright the card or something like that. I forgot what exactly happened, but they weren't able to print out a cadaver card for a long time. Something about them getting sued. You gotta show the thing, because then they'll be like, oh, you didn't pull it out of there, you did something. I hate how these packs are kind of a little bit mangled, so hopefully.
Silver Tempest and Fusion Strike. And
I want a Giratina so bad.
and then, oh, these are cute.
Tandem Mouse and Fido.
I would take Fusion Strike. I want that golden.
Oh, it's Mouse Hold, because it has all the babies.
I want the golden Mewtwo from Fusion Strike.
You Mew?
Yeah.
Not Mewtwo. Mew.
Oh yeah, the golden Mew.
I mean, you can still get the golden Mew and another one.
You can get the same one. Have you ever gotten a V and then you get a double hit and then you get the same V?
Not me.
Off to a bad start.
Jeez.
Cover?
Oh, I mean, yeah. It's your gold card. You gotta do the trick on this one. These cards look a little bit weird.
It's gonna guess fire.
Water. That. What did you do?
I did that.
That's wrong.
Yeah.
What? What did you do?
I did this.
Yeah, but that's all the way to the back. That should have been the hit or something.
Yeah. I don't know. Why are you?
Is that the rare that we were supposed to get? Wooloo. We gotta get closer. That's why this is not a good idea. The Martin, Indeedee, Wigglytuff. Yeah, you messed it up. I'm gonna go Lost Origin.
Isn't that the one that you wanted the Vanguard?
Giratina. Cover your thing. Yeah. The corner's kind of messed up. I'm never buying a pokeball again. Hopefully I didn't give it to the bots because I showed the code, scan code. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic. Seadra. It's a Viper. Stunfisk. Galarian. Machop. Shuppet. Pikachu. Ooh, Phantom. Sudowoodo.
Are you?
Sableye.
Sorry.
To Orbeetle. Never had this card.
I never had it too.
It looks funny. It's like a ladybug with legs.
Wait, will it show? Will it show? It won't show.
Yeah, that's kind of like why it's a good idea. Because I don't have to hide my camera. So you can give a code card.
Poison. Fire! I guessed that one last
It's
time.
not poison. There's only psychic.
What's psychic? Why? I guessed fire last
You
time.
put the cards back in?
Yeah. No. Fire?
Toxicroak. I can't see him over here. Jinx. And you gotta get closer. Marini. Meditite. I guess we should have made it closer. What is it? The heck I can't. Oh, Durant.
Duranitan.
Routes. Fletchling. Dratini. Whale Lord. Or Whalmer, I mean. So a Gardevoir. Not hollow. I wonder if that could be hollow, though.
Okay,
You got a Routes in there, too. You gonna grab Routes, too?
Yeah.
And then time for the big reveal. You know, everybody's probably been opening these all the time now.
I forgot what's in there. I forgot the ones I want. Yeah, no one cares about City in Flames. So, I'll buy a City in Flames.
Especially now that they're gonna make a shiny Charizard. No one's gonna really care about that.
Oh my god.
Anything else?
Oh, I thought it would show the skin. Whatever.
You thought, oh, no. You gotta get it in there. Yeah, it's under there.
Oh, I still love how these
Since
are.
you have more subscribers than me, then I'm gonna. I like how this looks. This is such a nice artwork.
Do you still have that one that I saved?
Oh, I dropped the other one. Which, the other pack? Yeah.
Yeah.
We put it inside the. You didn't want to open it, so we didn't.
Why does this look cleaner?
Oh, these are Alakazam Trio. Let me show these cards right quick. Oh, looks nice. I like how they did this.
I'm gonna do a ninja surprise at the end. Spoil.
Kadabra, I mean. Alakazam.
Nice yours. Nice one.
I wonder why they only did this one like this. Or wait. Oh, okay.
Oh my god. My big head. My big head.
So 2 for you, 2 for me.
I want to get the good look.
I didn't even check if they had hardcovers at that Walmart. I doubt it though. Everybody's been buying it. I should have ordered it on Amazon already. You going first?
Yeah. What? Come on, Lala.
You could come here.
1, 2. Oops.
Now we gotta show them. Just one, right?
Psychic. Anyway, Caterpie, Eevee,
Get closer now if you want.
Twinger,
Caterpie. I mean Weedle. Parasect. Can't believe I just said Caterpie. Cloyster, Giovanni's, Challenge or something. Machamp. Ooh. Ooh, a Tangela. That looks nice.
And the double hit.
Wait, what? You have one more card? Oh, Raichu.
I want this. Give me this.
This looks so nice. This almost looks like a 10, but I think this side is a little bit.
Yeah, it is. I want this.
Look at the card.
I want this. I don't care. This card looks so cool.
Those two.
Oh!
Oh, there's like a huge line.
Oh.
What the heck? Right in the middle of the, almost in the middle of the card. That's what I hate about opening cards. Put this back in here. Or wait, what? Where'd it go?
What?
Where's the thing?
That. Smell good.
New card smell. Like the new car smell.
New cars.
My turn. There you go. Kind of angle it different because
Bended
so
it.
you guys can see all the cards.
Bended the ankles.
Oh, whoops. Hopefully nobody gets it. And just.
What are you looking at?
What do you think it is? I think it's fire.
I guess psychic.
Oh, you're a
Finally!
psychic.
I said it 3 times and it
Zubat.
finally came back.
Goldeen. Weeping Bell. Ghastly. Rhydon. Sorry, I got a message. Rigid Band. Nidorino.
You can
Poliwhirl.
barely see on my.
Clefable. Oh, it looks off-centered, but I'll take it. Oh, it looks so nice, though. It's just, oh, it's a little bit off-centered. Why you do this to me, Pokemon? Why? Axel just quit now. He's like, no, you won. Oh, that looks so awesome. They're probably going to make a shiny version of this one. One more time, guys. One more time. You saw it here.
Why?
That looks so good.
How did you get that?
I gotta put them in the packs right now because I can't even sleeve them the right way.
Still.
Your turn.
Oh my god, please give me another charger. give me
I wonder how much that charger is. Probably at least $10 or something.
Gumalala, the Vespa. Let me see.
So sick.
I say I do psychic.
Water.
Psychic again.
Drowsy. Bulbasaur.
Dratini.
Growlithe. Seaking. Butterfree. Lapras. Horsey. Magneton. Ooh. A Ninetales EX. Did we get that one already?
I don't know.
Someone had it where like it looked like there was extra smoke around it, so it kind of made it look like it was just like
Broken?
no, like it was just like the fire from the Ninetales is just like making more smoke.
Hey!
Oh.
You got an extra one and you got clear sleeves.
Well, give me a clear sleeve.
You have checking in here. And then I just saw. There was one that just came out of their cleat sleeve like nothing happened. One of them couldn't breathe in there.
Some debris in here, but whatever. More. That's the other phone. Getting that clear. Sorry, guys.
Wait, I want to see it.
What?
I need to record. Meow. Meow.
That's so eggy.
I'm gonna do it right now.
Yeah, leave.
Only more. Only more.
I feel like I'm bending the cards.
Hey, Dad, we're trying to
Water.
Fire. Look like I didn't give it to you, bro.
Yeah, and you pulled it and me and Javi didn't. Take that.
So do it.
That one.
It's okay. Rapidash. Arena. Eradicate. Caterpie. Pidgeotto. Aw, that looks pretty cool.
Pidgeotto.
Aerodactyl. That looks pretty cool. I've never seen it.
Mhm.
It's like doing like a freaking. Oh, I guess it's devolution, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Nice artwork on there.
Alright, guys.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I started playing Pokemon Unite. If someone comments their username in Pokemon Unite, I could add you. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Blessings.